Riwruok mong'ere kaka ground team osiro lwedo chenro mag rowere mag Gen Z mar chwalo ote mar wuoyo od bura kendo tero jo od bura duto pacho e ng'anyo mar 27 dweni. Ka giloso kod jofwamb weche bura Nairobi, jo od bura kotelnegi kod ja od bura mag Githunguri Gathoni Wamuchomba kod Babu Owino mar Embakasi East osiro ng'ur mar Gen Z e wi od bura mamalo ka giwacho ni chandruok mag piny Kenya wuok e od bura mamalo. Ne gilero ni katiba kare achiel yango ni teko mar piny Kenya ni e lwet jopiny kendo gisingo mar chung kod rowere e keto od bura e koke. Rowere mag Gen Z chano bago ng'anyo kendo tarik 27 dwe mar aboro higa ni mar chwalo ote mar wuoyo od bura kuom rem e chwalo tije kaluwore gi dwach jopiny.
You have to speak louder.
The constitution is clear that power vests with the people. The sovereignty is with the people. The people are supreme. That supermajority in parliament is not a supermajority. It is an imaginary supermajority that is intended to achieve some selfish gains or ambitions. And therefore, one person with God is the majority. But now here we have a few people in parliament, members of parliament, team ground, together with the Gen Zs, with the millennials, with other Kenyans. That is even more than a super majority.
I honestly think that the kitchen of all problems in this country is Kenyan parliament. Because it is Kenyan parliament that make laws that are oppressive. It is Kenyan parliament that made the faulty, the unconstitutional, the irregular Finance Bill 2023 that has since now been thrown out by the courts. It is the same parliament that was attempting to make another irregular, unconstitutional Finance Bill 2024, which the greatest people of Kenya rejected. It is the same parliament that is coming up with other laws like the livestock bill law, the privatization law that they made, and many other very oppressive laws. So if the Gen Zs feel that it is time for them to petition parliament, they are welcome. It is within their right. And we will support them if we so feel they are doing the right thing. So we want to tell the young people of Kenya, we are with you.